The body of a man was found in Smoky Vale, St. Andrew on Sunday morning. The body, which is up to publication time was still unidentified, was partially burnt, the police said. It was reported that about 11 a.m. residents stumbled upon the partially decomposed body and summoned the police. On arrival, the body was seen lying down along a dirt track. The body was observed to be partially burnt. The scene was processed and the body removed. Police have identified the man who was shot in Garden District in White House, Westmoreland on Saturday. He is 32-year-old Denloy Brown, otherwise called Jappa, from the community. Reports from the police are that Brown was outside his premises about 8 p.m. when residents heard loud explosions. The police were summoned and on arrival, Brown was seen lying on his back suffering from what appeared to be gunshot wounds to his upper body. He was taken to hospital where he was pronounced dead. Commenting on the murder on Sunday afternoon, Deputy Superintendent of Police in charge of operation in Westmoreland, Police Division Agent Hamilton, told Observer Online that Brown's murder is as a result of a dispute in the community. A man has been charged after he allegedly stabbed another several times during an argument in Hampton, St. James in August. Charged with wounding with intent is 55-year-old Ansel Reed, otherwise called Rocky, of Hampton District in the parish. Reports are that about 12:13 p.m. Reed was arguing with another man when he allegedly used a knife to stab the man several times. The police were alerted and the man was taken to hospital where he was admitted for treatment. An investigation was launched and Reed was arrested. On Saturday, December 2, he was charged after he underwent a question and answer session in the presence of his attorney.